Nikigamwa ngo mushijogu batahibe bamuherekero kumureba shanka mukaga gwekiro ari nabantu abataro kumanya umuceka okwisaka sheshekeri izoba wo mutumbigwe gwashanga garamiro mukashenda enyuma ya Imagine Bar and Lodge omuri Kizinda.
Security ya Kizinda niteganisa mu ovuyo bwingi nibutira kuruga omuriyaga mabara agukora translate cyita cyo twose tukijumirira ukati kumanya aha bwingi kitakubasa kutegwa umugore bakuzambanywa amago gabo ngwe no bundi cyarenga atargamu ebizubukiri
okuchondoza okwakora nikoreka ngo muntogo niwabire na rugo muchome awentaro izabira ine no mukazi we kandi muchome nikigamwa ngo aruje biro bibere nyuma.
And this person was arrested and taken to police over domestic issues, but I think was settled up by the family, and the woman went and requested the police to give the deceased back at home. And now what happened after giving back the deceased at home? That happened that at night, the deceased body was found dead here around Image Bar. But according to us police, the way we saw that the deceased was killed from somewhere and the body was carried and he brought somewhere near Image Corridor Bar around here.
Wanjogu abina koremera mu yaburizo akwemera aho akakoremera mu yukora nkoko korabashano ko wizuko yite yo kupatukana mukace kajinga kucereza bitoki akoremera mu yinku umuntu konka n'ikintu cyasasa mununga anyubundi yanyu no busasa bwinji mununga umuntu kumuheruka nyuma yo shamuyinda zihamwe nizisa zitumuherukiremo ukaza kusanga ukasanga nkije sahizi ngobo kutugambira ngo bafire.
Okuchondoza kwa polisi yashangishaga mamuyango gwishenkazi wa Nyakwitwa kandi yamukwata kuyabozibwa yajangwa huriro mutabana rukwamuza yatekateka ngunabinazi yatina kwigura.
Ndori sitakora ichukura nchuro konko mshija taka akumanachura atko hamazima tumuyimuka mukimuka mwena mukankomora ba mugore ba aunt ayesera mazina wabena yeta kuja konka kumananyeta anti hatana njati nyo kwibuka byumukazi yenka ba mugore tona tukumangayi atko sibezini kashaha nkamunana ati shamunana atkunyi mukomka sheshe nanyo mukwimuka nyina kasitwa kanje kamakara njamka nshangoka ndikakora te ntasimiye nje ndire ntina ho sente ntibenye ndakutebese owithariro umuntu nacura bamto yatora kuri yo ogo compound yakuriya hatkanka na burongo ko umuntu bamwitiro image nyongo mzamutoro kunyakira mati ngoma nkai konka mukasheshe kunyi mukakonawe nyumuka na baraza abuja nkataba nkagera nkacira ku breeding n'imyinyi njiranta nsimura nabo mu ngaro mujanza stop.
Abataka becwekeki bashabibe kwerinda okureba ngo babyongeramo amani na mnonga amabara agarukorana gakora kancaye kakutera byoma ne babitera mpako mukasheshe.
Abantu bakizinda imbara zirenjire bansawa obwerinzi abange bara kuzikiga cereza izirara zinyusa paka busesere atumwa kugo kwitana aneko zevi okwita bana ba boda zirugera nko
yani na urumsayiza nacho atumugore imukataba shabantera imukujurota inyonte kateka ntulabe bikomera mbo bari yomba jawa yona ngwante kateke ntunyika anyika basha opansomu ntobundi kiyaine mu kazuko nakwiza gerata bamwigure hati nyocho tinjira ntatinfonza kura kurumsha yagarika yagerata yakwa tumhanda kuyaji.
Nikigamwa ngo town ya Kizinda irema amabara agarukorenga 15 kandi agona nigakora mpako mukasheshe ekikoreka nkwenko zebi niho ziri kusiba kandi ziri kweshereka. Amakoraga gasha kwa Ben Moz hamwe na Abraham Muganzi aba TV West agacenchwiri.